Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your payment method on Amazon Prime Video using an app. Let's get started. First, open settings on your iPhone. Once you are in, tap on your name at the top of your screen. Now tap on payment and shipping. From here, you can add or select a new payment method. We will now use this method for Prime Video billing, and that's it. Your new payment method will be used for future Prime Video payments. Always make sure your payment details are up to date to avoid interruptions. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.